So this is really nice and easy. Spicy, fried sweet potato, or sweet potato fried. We've got some lovely Indian spices in there. Takes just a few minutes. It's delightful. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 2 tomatoes there cut. Here's our sweet potato. That's one kind of, decent sized potato like that. So it's probably like 3 cups of it. Cut it into cubes. Now, I've kept it in cold water as soon as I can cut it, because it will go brown very, very quickly. 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some fresh chili, up to you, cilantro or coriander, what we got there, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons maybe. Curry leaves, if you can get curry leaves, they're fantastic. These are fresh, you might be able to get them dry. And in here, I've got 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 of chili powder, and 1 of coriander powder. Salt and pepper. I'm going to start this off with some oil. Today I'm going to be using coconut oil. Okay, so look, I've got some coconut oil. I'm just going to melt that down. Once that's melted, we can get on with it. Okay, so my oil has melted. Now, you don't have to use coconut oil. You could use something different. We're on quite a high heat. We're going to start off by dropping in the potato. And we're going to fry this sweet potato for about 4 minutes. Keep it moving there. So that's just about 4 minutes. Now, if you were using regular potatoes, you'd need to do it a bit longer. Sweet potatoes will cook quite a bit faster than a regular potato. Next up, curry leaves, if you've got them. I know some of you won't be able to find them. 1 cup of onion. Some fresh chili. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste, a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Salt. Another 4 minutes. Definitely keep it moving all the time now. Okay, we're nearly there. Right, now, in go the cumin seeds, the cumin powder, the chili powder, and the coriander powder. Teaspoon each of everything there. Now, you could have added some turmeric to this, but I quite like the vibrant colour that we have already of the potato. In goes the chopped tomato. 3 minutes, high heat, stirring all the time. Only one more thing to do. And that's beautiful. That's just enough time for those tomatoes to slightly melt down. There we go with some fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. Off goes the heat. Give that a stir. Check it for salt. That's a beauty. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Really simple and delightful that is. Now, if you wanted, you could have that with some rice, with some bread, or just by itself. Healthy, vegan, vegetarian, fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe and keep well, will ya? Lots of love.